Hey everyone, I'm Frank, and today I'll show you how fast and easy it is to create PDFs with UPDF. You can make a blank PDF of your own, or you can convert Word, Excel, images, and even create PDFs from scans or ID cards, all in seconds. Download UPDF in the link in the description and follow this guide in order to create your own PDFs. First, I'll show you how you can create a PDF on your Windows or Mac computer and convert popular formats to a PDF. First, let's look how we create a blank PDF. To create a PDF file from scratch in UPDF, you can use the blank feature under Create PDF section. This feature lets you pick the page style and the size while creating a new document. You can even optimize the page orientation for whatever results you desire. So to start this process, we launch UPDF on your computer and then we access the Tools section. Now click the blank section, the blank option under Create PDF, and we'll create a PDF. On the next screen, you'll choose the desired paper style and adjust the width and height of the page, change its orientation, enter the number of pages you need, and then you hit Apply and the PDF is created. Once your PDF's created, we'll go into the Edit mode through the Tools menu, and now we can do things like add a new text box, we can start writing content onto that blank page, we can also add images to make this PDF more visually appealing. Now, other than just creating blank pages and PDFs of your own, UPDF also lets you create PDFs from common file formats like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, image files, or CAJ files. To create a PDF this way, we'll access the Tools screen on UPDF and we'll tap Other under the Create PDF. Next, we'll choose which option we want, such as PDF from Word, from the menu that appears. In the next window, we'll select the Files button to import the file that we want to bring in and create a PDF from. After importing this file, we'll optimize the page size and the orientation settings. Finally, we'll hit the Apply button to create a PDF, which you can then save onto your device. Another option is to create a PDF from the Clipboard. If you've copied some content from the internet or into your Clipboard, UPDF even lets you create a PDF files from the Clipboard contents. While you're converting the copied text into a document, you'll get the option to adjust the orientation and the size of the pages as well. To do this conversion, open up UPDF and tap on the Tools button in the main interface. With the screen that comes up, press Other and choose PDF from Clipboard. Then when you reach the PDF screen, you'll choose the right page size and orientation. Then you'll click Apply, and then the newly created document will be on your device. A fourth option is to create a PDF from an ID card. This allows you to upload the images of both sides of the card to make a new document. Like all of the other previous methods, we'll enter the Tools window after launching UPDF. Now we'll tap the ID card button under the Create PDF section and proceed from there. Next, tap both of the Choose File buttons so that we can have both sides of the ID card, and we'll upload the front and the back of our ID card. Once those pictures are uploaded, we'll optimize the size and orientation settings before we hit the Apply button. Then we'll save the created PDF onto your device. Now, the fifth option on creating PDFs that we'll look at here today is getting a PDF from a scanner. You can create a PDF from a scan directly. To create a PDF using this method, access the Tools window from the main screen, then simply tap the Scanner option in order to proceed. Now, scan your pages using your scanning device and adjust the settings, including mode, DPI, and orientation. Next, preview the scanned pages and optimize the page size. Finally, press the Apply button. You'll find that the methods mentioned before are only for one file. If you have multiple files and want to convert them all into PDFs, you can use its Batch Create feature. After importing Word, Excel, and images, you can choose to combine them into one file or create multiple PDFs all at the same time. For the batch PDF creation, access the Tools screen from the main interface of UPDF, then tap on the Create feature under the Batch Process section. In the next window, press the Add Files button to import Word, PowerPoint, Excel, JPEG, PNG, or any of the other file types. Alternatively, you can also import the full folder containing all of the files for batch PDF creation. After you've imported the files, pick either Combine into one or Create separately under the Create Mode selections. Then adjust the page settings and hit Apply to create new PDF files. I've already shown you how you can create PDFs on your desktop. If you want to know how to create PDFs on mobile, you can download UPDF for Android from the Play Store or UPDF for iOS from the App Store, and learn how to create blank PDFs, create PDFs from other formats, and create from a scanned documents or from an ID card. UPDF on mobile can also support creating a blank PDF. It's easy to do. Click on the plus icon after opening UPDF for mobile and tap on the blank PDF. Choose the paper style, tap on the edit icon to add text, images, and links. Similar to the desktop version, the UPDF mobile application also allows you to create PDF files from different formats, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and images. To start this process, we launch UPDF app on our mobile device. From the main interface, tap the plus icon to access a new menu. Within the Create New pop-up menu, hit the Files section under the Import From section. Now add the files that you want to create PDFs from. Once the files are uploaded, access the Tools tab from the bottom of the screen. Under the Convert to PDF section, pick the desired conversion formats, such as Word to PDF, and finally select the file you've uploaded to perform the PDF conversion process. Besides common file formats, UPDF also lets you scan paper to UPDF. While doing so, you can capture images of your notes or any paper to combine information into a single PDF. To create a PDF from a scanned document, launch the application and enter the Tools tab. Now tap the Scan Document feature to proceed with this task. Then simply capture the images of your papers and notes from which you want to create a PDF. Tap Done if that's what you want to do, if that's what you need. You can then take a picture of more files, or once all the images are captured, you can hit the forward icon to create a PDF file. On the next screen, crop or resize the pages of your scanned file, and when you've customized those pages, hit the Save icon on the top right of your screen. After saving the file, you'll reach the scanned file. From here, tap the three dots icon under the newly saved files. Finally, press the Convert to PDF button on the new bottom-up menu to complete this task. And that's it. Creating PDFs has never been this quick and versatile. No matter if you want to create a blank PDF, if you want to convert Word, Excel, or other formats to PDF, or even if you want to create a PDF from multiple files, UPDF makes the process effortless in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to download UPDF and try it out for yourself. And hey, before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss future tutorials that make working with PDFs simple. See you in the next video.